Students, welcome back to the concept classes Murphy at the rate of PC Murphy. Today we will going to discuss about projectile motion, a topic from class 11 physics chapter motion in a plane. Okay, I will discuss part by part of projectile motion. Simply, what is projectile motion? Suppose when an object, when an object is projected vertically near the surface of the earth making an angle, then the object is said to be projectile. Okay, and the motion of the object possessed is called projectile motion. Okay, now let us consider an object. Let us first consider xy plane, xy coordinate. See, let us first consider this is x coordinate, x axis, and it is y axis, horizontal axis, and it is vertical axis. Along y it is vertical, along x it is horizontal. Suppose an object is projected like this. An object is projected, it reached point B, and the object is make an angle with the origin is theta. Okay, here will be another figure you can draw, and this like this. Okay, and in this case, along horizontal direction, along horizontal axis, horizontal motion of the object, horizontal velocity of the object will be u cos theta. It can be calculated using trigonometry also. Now along vertical axis it is u sin theta when the object is projected with the velocity u. Okay, now along when the object is projected horizontally, it is acceleration of the object ax is equal to 0. Then horizontal motion of the object should be horizontal motion horizontal motion of the object is ux is equal to u cos theta. Okay, u cos theta. Now from the laws of kinematics, vx is equal to ux plus ax into t. Since ax is equal to 0, this term becomes 0. Vx is equal to ux is equal to what? U cos theta. Along the horizontal axis it is u cos theta. And again displacement along the horizontal axis, displacement x is equal to what? uxt plus half of ax into t. Since again it is ax is equal to 0, therefore this term become 0. Ux is equal to what? U cos theta, therefore it is ut cos theta. Displacement of the object from O to B is ut cos theta. It is also an important It is also an important term. Now using vertical axis, using vertical motion, I will calculate the vertical motion also. Again in vertical motion, but in this time acceleration cannot be zero. Acceleration is opposite to the motion of the object. That is ay should be minus z. Ay should be minus z. Okay. Now students, now using laws of kinematics, in this case also I will have Vy is equal to Uy minus Zt. Vy is equal to Uy minus Zt. Now again displacement, in this case displacement will be what? Displacement or position of the object, y is equal to Uy t, since it is vertical direction, minus half of ay t, minus half of ay t. Uy is equal to what? U sin theta, U sin theta into t minus half into gt is equal to ut sin theta minus half of gt square, minus half of gt square. Now students, t can be calculated from x is equal to ut cos theta. Now from here t is equal to x by u cos theta. Now I can use this value here. U into t is equal to x by u cos theta, x into sin theta by u cos theta minus half into g into t. T is equal to x by u cos theta whole square. U cancel. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to x into tan theta minus half of g into x by u cos theta whole square. That is y is equal to this. Students, this is an important expression. This is an important expression. It is what? Equation. This equation is known as equation of projectile. This equation is known as equation of projectile. It is very, very important. This equation is known as equation of projectile. We have already established the equation of projectile, horizontal motion, vertical motion. Now going into the third part, and that is time of flight. We can calculate time of flight. Now let's see time of flight. Time of flight. No, it is time of flight. See students, an object is projected at point O with velocity u after time t. Considering time t, after time t the object is reached at point B, and at point B y coordinate of the object is 0. Y coordinate of the object is 0. That concept I will going to use to find out the expression for the time of the flight. Now students, OB is equal to x is equal to ut cos theta. It is important. And at point V, it is also important. At point V, y coordinate is equal to 0. Now from the vertical motion equation, y is equal to ut sin theta minus half of gt square, Since at point B y coordinate is 0, then y is equal to 0. Ut sin theta minus half of gt square. Now students, taking t, u sin theta minus half of gt is equal to 0. Now t is equal to 0. T may be 0 or u sin theta minus half of gt is equal to 0. From here, t is equal to twice u sin theta by g. This is the expression for the time of flight. This is the expression for the time of flight of the object. Okay? This is the expression for the time of flight of the object. It is very, very important. It means the particle after this time will reach the point V. Okay? Time of going up and time of coming down is also equal. Both are equal, right? Now, horizontal range. It is simply called range. Students, I will discuss horizontal range in next video, in my next class. Okay? So, stay with me, stay connected with me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and write to me inbox. Have a good day.